We were in Germany, we were in Cologne, and doing an Amiga Fest with Alan Hastings and the Video Toaster. And you guys, I was so green. I mean, computers were babies at that time, just like I was. I had never touched a computer in my life. I was just ready to go out and find the world and embrace it and go for it. And I found myself in Germany, and I had no idea what we were doing other than I was going to translate and demo the Video Toaster. So that's what I did, and of course...
well, you left out one thing, Kiki.
Oh, yeah?
You had to do it in German.
Yes, that's true. I had to
Give us a little bit of this feeling.
Ja, und hier ist das Video Toaster, sehr schön. Du kannst sehen, hier ist eine Video Transitions und ein Character Generator. I mean, that's kind of what I did. I didn't know tech at that time at all. And, you know, so the whole thing was just about flying by the seat of my pants, which I think is pretty much my entire career is flying by the seat of my pants. I've had so much fun, and I just got to say that Tim Jennison is an amazing human being. He literally took me under his wing, because imagine, I'm the first woman in a computer, much less video industry, merging the two together and trying to spout technology. And at that time, you know, many people were like, oh, you know, you're the booth babe. And I'm like, you know, you might think so, but I got a lot more up here. And so the challenge for me always was learning the technology. And, you know, back in the day, is it a video timer or the computer timer? And, you know, if I wouldn't, the gen lock, exactly. Yeah. If I wouldn't have had Tim, I couldn't have gotten through it at all. I just recently gave him handwritten notes that he had made for me back in the day of how when the video signal enters the Video Toaster, where it goes through everything and how it works, so that he would really explain everything to me. And that was everything to me. I became a computer nerd via Tim Jennison.
Nerdette. Okay.
Yeah.
Debbie Stockhammer, are you ready for art?
Yes, okay, Andy Jennison.
Look in the sea camera.
Are you ready to paint me?
I am ready. That's what she said, didn't she?
That's apparently, yes, right?
Yeah, that's the line. Okay.
Should I stop talking now? Is that it?
So look at the camera. Let's see. I got it. Okay. Right. And I have to give it a file name. Yeah, this is so fast. It's unbelievably fast.
It's a blitzkrieg.
Saving a file.
It's lightning speed.
Did I say it's fast?
Yeah. Schnell. Es ist schnell.
Okay. It didn't ask me for a file name, did it?
I think you can see it.
Oh, shit. No, I said it's image. Okay. Okay, now we have to exit the Amiga Live.
If I may interject a little bit here, just to kind of set the stage. This is an Amiga 1000 that Dale had with one of his 3 Amiga 1000 live boards. Most of the people here have never even seen one of those things.
That's awesome.
A very early digitizer. Early enough for this computer that Commodore used it for Andy to grab the image.
Right, and it was the only thing like it. It was magical.
Magical.
And for years, even after that, it was like no computer could do what the Amiga could to import images.
This is before things like file formats for images.
Yeah.
The way that I was introduced to the Amiga is that it was the first computer that had true video timing, and it enabled us to do things that had never been done before, which is very much why the new tech was born, being able to bring the video into the computer.
Yep. Okay, the video is coming in.
I hear it.
At the official launch, they didn't show this part.
There was a lot of post-production. Imagine do some post-production in your head right now.
But I hope my eyes aren't closed.
No, they weren't.
We'll find out in like 10 seconds. It's actually good, I like it.
Okay, yeah, I can make this into art.
Yes.
Art. Yeah.
So Tim, how you've been using the Amiga now for 40 years. Have you found it been easy to learn?
Yeah, it's neat. That's what Andy Warhol said. And that's what Jack, no, what, Jack, yeah. Jack said, yeah. And then the audience laughed. Oh, Andy said it was neat. I don't know why that was funny. Andy said it was neat. Okay, so now we're in the paint program. So I'm going to use a brush. I'm going to select a color. And just because Andy Warhol did this, I'm going to draw a line around Kiki. And now I'm going to color in some things bizarrely. Let's see, let's try a different shade of flesh tone. Okay, so I did, I painted it. Okay, so let's go. How about green?
Let's do it.
Green.
Super green, as long as it's super green.
Let's make you super green. All right. Okay, I'm so sorry, Kiki.
It's alright, I'm a zombie now, it's okay.
Okay, and he also colored her lips, sort of. I need a lipstick color here. Can't I choose a new color? Change it?
You can choose
Yes.
that, and then
Okay.
one of the colors go bright, nice bright red.
Okay, let's go full saturated red. Let's brighten it up a little bit. Okay. We'll use that color. And we'll do.
Yeah.
Thank goodness this is not a real world.
That's how guys do makeup.
It's got those Kardashian lips.
Let's see.
Give me those duck lips or else.
Uh-oh.
See,
Do
this is what
it.
happened when Andy was
I guess
playing.
that's what you get when you said, are you gonna paint me? Ah!
Oh.
Do
Oh.
it, black one out if you can, do it.
Okay, let's see now. Okay, I have to sign it. I need, go.
Oh my.
Amiga Live, everyone, at your fingertips.
There we go.
That's it. Sign the disc.
Find the disc.
You did save that, right?
No.
Go save it. I don't know how to do that.
I did save it? Okay.
Are you sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Save it. Save it.
Okay.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. I think I need to stand underneath it.
People are like, how did this become that?
Oh, man, that's beautiful. Selfie. You know, you've never looked better, really. Okay.
It's perfect. All right, you guys. I just want to say it's been an honor and a privilege to be in this community and to thank you from the bottom of my heart because I've had an amazing life and I owe it a lot to this man here too, but it continues and I hope it does for you guys too.
I owe it to all of you.
Oh, there you go. Hold on, let me pop to it.
No, he's,
Kiki, get out, Bill, get in there.
I'm next.